Hi there. Do you have an innovative idea that could make the world a more sustainable place, but you don't know how to register for SPARC 3.0? Don't worry, we've got you. In the next few minutes, we'll show you how exactly to submit your idea. Let's get started. First, scan the QR code present on the SPARC poster. Here I have my phone and I'll be scanning the QR code right here. And now we're in. The SPARC registration form will open. Step 1. Read the instructions carefully before filling out the form. There are important details like the registration fee, the team project guidelines, and what the model should look like. After reading through the instructions, start by entering your email address and letting us know how you heard about SPARC 3.0. If you saw this poster in your school, then press School. If you saw and learned about SPARC 3.0 from our social media handles, then you can click on the social media. Next, move to the participants details section and fill in your information, including your name, your mentor's name, address, and other basic details. And now, once you fill this out, comes the exciting part, your project idea. Select the theme that best matches your idea. Enter your project title and tell us what problem you're trying to solve with the project. For example, if you have observed, we have limited sources of fresh water. You might want to make a water from air model to solve this problem and create an alternative source for fresh water. In what theme does your project fall under? We will be choosing here saving energy and fighting climate change, since our example project talks about water scarcity. But depending on your project, you can choose which theme your project falls under. In the section Title of Project, you can type Water from Air Model. Then, under this section, What problem are you trying to solve? You can write about the scarcity of fresh water. After filling in these two sections, there will be another section called How will your idea/prototype/project solve the above problem? Here, keeping our example in mind, explain how your model extracts water from the air. After filling these sections, you can also share the materials you may need and upload a sketch or a concept image of your project if you have any. Once you've reviewed your idea, proceed to the payment section and complete the registration process by paying the fee using the QR code or bank transfer details provided in the form. Don't forget to upload a screenshot of your payment confirmation. Then simply click Submit, and that's it. Your idea is officially registered for SPARC 3.0. Got more than one great idea? Feel free to submit another entry